Class of Communications 108. I'm here presenting my persuasive speech number 2 for the class. For my audience, I have my father, my mother, and my friend Josh, and our 2 doggies, Chandler and Remy. So today I will be talking about Schedule 1 chemicals that have been placed there by the FDA and DEA. Now, Schedule 1 is a reference to chemicals and drugs that are known to the United States as having absolutely no medical or any type of beneficial ability or properties to them. So some of the drugs included on Schedule 1 are heroin, cocaine, and there's plenty of other ones that are truly dangerous. But then there's the other side of Schedule 1 drugs that actually do have potential medical and beneficial properties. Some of these included are kratom, CBD, what's commonly known as magic mushrooms, and even LSD and MDMA, or commonly known as ecstasy and Molly. So let's start off with kratom. Recently, the DEA tried to put kratom on the Schedule 1 listing. Now, kratom is a powdered leaf that comes from Southeast Asia and is commonly used as an alternative to modern-day painkillers like Percocets, Oxycontin, Vicodin, those types of drugs. What makes kratom significantly different is that it's a stimulant as opposed to a sedative. What makes that beneficial is that it's no longer as lethal or as dangerous as those other sedative type chemicals are. Because, as many people know, when you mix these modern day sedative painkillers with alcohol or any other sedative, they can be very dangerous and deadly. Now, kratom, because of a massive population outburst when the DEA tried to put this as Schedule 1, they decided to rescind their decision because enough people called out and claimed, this has been a helpful drug to me. It's prevented me from going on very addictive and deadly chemicals. More recently, the DEA has tried to put CBD and has effectively, as of right now, put it on the Schedule 1 listing. CBD has plenty of medical benefits. It's been used for cancer patients. Most frequently, it's been used for young children with epileptic seizures or other types of seizures. And CBD is actually, the scientific name is cannabidiol, and it is the secondary component of the marijuana plant, which is why the DEA wants to put it as a Schedule 1 narcotic. Now, CBD has been able to be beneficial for a lot of young children with seizures because it can be turned into either a paste or a oil type solution and be placed under the tongue or the lip of that young person and be able to, within minutes, halt the effects of seizures. And that, to be able to do that without the harmful effects of strong sedatives, from benzodiazepines to barbiturates, is an incredible find. It means that we have a way to keep these children healthy and not get them on addictive drugs while also still helping them with their seizures. Now, with these drugs on the Schedule 1 listing, it prevents a lot of the United States from doing any research towards these chemicals. Luckily, over in Europe, they don't have all of these really strict laws, and have even found that there's medical benefits to magic mushrooms, the psilocin, which can be used to help minimize depression in cancer patients. Used MDMA for PTSD patients, help to convert the harmful memories they have to more positive influences, and even LSD for certain mental diseases that have been incurred to that person. It can help with processing different types of information and providing a progressive outcome. So I urge all of you that see this to go out and do some research of your own to find out if these chemicals actually have these real benefits.